Alright, I'm going to try to do the same thing here. I only have half an apple this time. But I'll be using a Super Colbury Ultra Silent Primer Fire 22 round. I don't even know if I hit that one, but let's find out. Oh yeah. A little damage. Split the apple in two. Obviously a lot different. Backstop's a little disgusting. Super Colbury 20-gram shot.